Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Roblox. This file does not have an app associated with it for performing this action error. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to ensure you have an app installed that can open such files. So Windows presents this error primarily when it fails to find appropriate app to open files. So therefore, first, you should check whether you have the right app installed to open files in this particular format. So there are several ways to check this, but here is one of the easiest. So first, navigate to the file that is displaying this error when you open it, and right click the file and select properties, and then navigate to the general tab and look for the file format next to type of file. And then to confirm this, just right click the file and navigate to open with and choose another app. So if it is commonly used file format such as PDF, JPEG, the PNG, docs, etc., for which you have the appropriate app installed, move on directly to heading 2. However, if you see an unusual file format here, something you haven't seen before, make sure to have the appropriate app installed. And then again, to confirm this, just right click the file and navigate to the open with, and then go or choose another app. And then after that, if you have a relevant app installed, Windows will suggest you to select the open file. If you don't see any app suggestion here, you probably don't have any apps installed capable of opening this file type. And if that's the case, simply go to any of your browsers, search for Windows apps that can run files in that format and download them. And after downloading the appropriate app, make it the default for opening this file type. And then next, what you can do is to set the default type or default application for the file type. So the error message states that if the app is already installed, you need to create an association in the default program. So if you already had the compatible app installed or have just downloaded it, your next step should be to set it as default for files having that file type or format. So setting the compatible application as default may solve this problem right away. And um, that's it for this video. And I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.